Hi friends, I am Jomal Beni and this is my friend Joseph Andrew. As a part of our education, we found that during electricity production, there is a great loss of energy by friction as well as by transmission. We also identified that in present day, the electricity production in nuclear power station, it is too difficult. The scarcity of water and the unavailability of fuel for electricity production make it more difficult. We are responsible for day by day increasing price of crude oil.
When we thought for a solution for this problem, we added a question that why can't we produce electricity with zero friction from green energy without any transmission loss? That was a challenging question for us. For that, we referred a lot of books, sites, and a lot of principles. At last, that all led us to design a new kind of wind machine named low-cutting velocity wind machine.
Let us see our 8 principles. Magnetic levitation principle. As per magnetic levitation principle, our specially designed vertical leaves get floated in between two circular magnets. But for its stability, we applied Oyashka-Bedini flux gate principle, which focus on radial magnetic repulsion. Thus, the inner magnet fixed on the axial and the outer magnet on the leaves get repelled. Thus, it acquires greater stability. By these two principles, we could make it friction-free. From the Savonis rotor model, we designed a new multi-leaf system which works on low-cutting velocity of wind. Thus, we can implement it in our houses. To increase its RPM, we used solar cooker application, so more electricity can be produced in daytime. This can also be stored in batteries. Also, we concluded that the air molecules below space never get rest due to continuous land breeze and sea breeze. Because of zero friction, this helps us to produce more electricity. Next, we used black body radiation by coating black paints on the leaves. It could absorb more thermal energy. Thus, the air around it gets heated along with the leaves. We know that hot air has low density and it escapes towards upper layer. This allows the surrounded cool air to blow towards the machine and to rotate leaves. Finally, by electromagnetic induction, the coil fixed on the axial cuts the flux produced by neodymium magnets on either side of the coil. Here, there are two such parts, so we can produce two-phase electricity from a single low-cutting velocity wind machine. Thus, by implementing such an wind machine in our houses as well as in modern electric cars, we can produce electricity continuously without any pollution or destruction to our environment. Now, the future is waiting for our low-cutting velocity wind machine.